Santo Dios, te queremos agradecer
for all the work that you are doing for us.
por todo el trabajo que haces por nosotros.
Each of us has an awareness
Cada uno tiene una conciencia
that everything that can and could be shaken is being shaken.
que todo que se puede sacudir será sacudido y es sacudido.
As that shaking is occurring,
Mientras que acontece esto,
we ask that you would shield each of us,
queremos pedirte que nos proteges a cada uno.
that part of the grace that you give us would be patience.
La parte que nos puedes dar es paciencia.
So even if we don't understand everything,
Aunque no entendamos todo,
we can have faith that our questions will be answered.
podemos tener fe que nuestras preguntas serán respondidas.
Help each of us to be true and faithful
Ayuda a cada uno de nosotros de tener fe
and to follow the rules you have so graciously given us through the years.
y seguir las reglas que en tu gracia nos has dado a lo largo de los años.
In Jesus' name, amen.
En el nombre de Jesús. Amén.
I have two presentations back to back today.
Hoy tengo dos presentaciones, una tras otra.
And I know we're dealing with the subject of Hebrews chapter 8.
Sé que estamos hablando de Hebreos 8,
The issue of the intercession of Christ and the Holy Spirit.
la intercesión de Cristo y del Espíritu Santo.
You'll remember that we've got a reference from First Selected Messages, page 344, paragraph 1.
Tenemos una referencia de mensajes selectos. La voy a buscar.
Where it speaks about the intercession of Christ and the Holy Spirit.
Donde se habla de la intercesión de Cristo y del Espíritu Santo.
According to my understanding of that passage,
Y de acuerdo a mi comprensión del texto,
what God is trying to show us
lo que Dios intenta mostrarnos
is the importance of the death and life of Jesus.
es la importancia de la muerte y la vida de
So
Jesús.
this is a very brief synopsis of material that we have covered in the past in a lot more detail.
Es una sinopsis muy breve del material que hemos cubierto con mucho más detalle, por supuesto.
We had a small graphic last week. No, just the other day, sorry.
Anteayer tuvimos una gráfica
And we mapped the life and death of Christ
y hemos trazado la vida y la
which
muerte de
is the
Cristo,
ministry of Christ and the Holy Spirit,
lo que es el ministerio de Cristo y
and
el
we put it
Espíritu
on a
Santo.
line.
Y lo pusimos en una línea.
By the way, you have all this graphic as a PDF on the forum, by the way. I know they're working it out. Thank you.
Claro que ustedes tienen ese gráfico en el foro.
It seems to do that randomly. We don't know why. So the death is related to the past.
La muerte está relacionada al pasado
And the life is dealing with the future, with your future after baptism.
y la vida se relaciona al futuro, a tu futuro después del bautismo.
So we spoke about all of that.
Hemos hablado de todo esto.
I avoided the question that was asked about what happens if you sin after baptism.
Evité la pregunta acerca de qué acontece si pecas después
What I
del bautismo.
wanted us to consider
Lo que quería que consideremos
are three elements.
son tres elementos.
The law is personified, becomes a person,
Que la ley es personificada, llega a ser una persona,
which means the law is separate to God.
eso quiere decir que la ley es algo separado de Dios.
And the reason why that's significant
Y la razón por qué ello es importante o
is because the
significativo
whole model of salvation that we have, we might call it the sanctuary model, is based upon this premise, this idea.
es porque todo el modelo que tenemos, lo llamamos modelo del santuario, está basado en esta idea.
You all know that the Shekinah glory sits above the two tables of stone.
Recuerda que la gloria Shekinah está postrada encima de dos tablas.
There's a second question which I've divided into two parts, which is dealing with sin.
Hay una segunda pregunta que dividí en dos partes que tiene que ver con
What
el
is sin?
pecado. ¿Qué es pecado?
And what's its punishment?
¿Y cuál es
And I said that there's a problem with this
el castigo?
two-part question.
Y dije que hay un problema con con esas dos preguntas, o esa pregunta en dos
And the
partes.
reason why it's problematic
Y la razón por qué es problemático
is that when we were children,
y que cuando éramos niños,
8 years ago,
hace 8 años,
we had a model that said higher power, lower power, and the will is the governing force.
teníamos un modelo que decía poderes altos, poderes bajos y la voluntad es la fuerza que gobierna.
And that model takes you down the path
Y este modelo te lleva,
that anything and everything you do is a conscious decision.
te lleva a una senda que dice que todo lo que haces y sabes es una
And the
decisión
problem with that
consciente.
model,
Y el problema con este modelo,
if I were to ask each of you to give a testimony,
si pediría que cada uno de vosotros daría un testimonio,
to explain your life after baptism,
que expliquen sus vidas después del
in the words
bautismo,
of Paul,
en las palabras de Pablo,
why do you keep doing things that you don't want to do?
¿por qué continúas haciendo cosas que no quieres hacer?
And this 2017 model ends up driving you down the path that will give you the wrong answer.
Y el modelo de 2017 te llevará a un camino que luego te dará la respuesta falsa o errada.
What I want to say is that's what I think. These are my thoughts.
Quiero añadir que esos son mis pensamientos, eso es lo que yo creo.
These are
Pienso,
my thoughts.
son mis pensamientos.
So I'm just talking to my translator. Are we cutting out because you've got a bad connection or I've got bad connection? Can I can I speak to the coordinator? Is
Yes.
it cutting out
resolviendo
for you?
un asunto con la traducción, con la
Or
técnica.
maybe
any other
once.
If we move on to a model of fast brain, slow brain,
Entonces, si avanzamos a otro modelo, cerebro rápido, cerebro lento,
what that model tells you
lo que te dice ese modelo
is that the fast brain operates on very different principles than the slow brain.
es que el cerebro rápido opera sobre principios muy diferentes que el cerebro lento.
And that adds a complication to defining what sin is in a way that I don't think people have really grasped.
Y esto complica el intento de explicar qué es el pecado, una complicación que creo las personas
If
no
you're happy
han
to use a definition
comprendido.
of sin,
Si estás feliz con la definición del pecado,
as the following,
sino la siguiente,
that if you know something is bad and you do it consciously, it's sin.
si sabes que algo está mal y aún así lo haces, esto es pecado.
Maybe someone can give us the Bible verse and we'll share it.
O sea, lo haces conscientemente. Eso es pecado.
Curtis,
When you say bad, you mean morally bad or just any type of bad? Like bad for your health? Or
I'll use the word wrong. Does that get us out of a problem?
No entendí la pregunta, pero Pamela responde que usó la
So I'm going
palabra
to change
errado.
it to the word wrong.
Voy a cambiar la definición usando la palabra
Someone find the
errado,
verse?
incorrecto.
James chapter 4, verse 17.
Vamos a
I'll
leer
just
un
put that
texto en la
here.
Biblia. Aquí está.
James chapter 4, verse 17.
Esto es Santiago 4:17.
I was going to use a contemporary version to help us, but it made it worse. King James, it says, to him that knoweth. Another one, it says, the man.
La King James dice a aquel quien sabe, y otra traducción dice el hombre
Okay.
o el
If
ser
you
humano.
fail to do what you know is right, you are sinning.
El que sabe hacer, no. Si no haces lo que sabes que es bueno, entonces estás
So that's how
cometiendo
James,
pecado.
in the book of James chapter 4, that's how sin's going to be defined. If you don't,
Esto,
if you do something that you know is wrong.
haces algo que sabes que está mal. Así define Santiago el pecado.
So going back to this model that we have here,
Volviendo al modelo que tenemos aquí,
the verse 17 in James
el versículo 17 de Santiago
is dealing with the slow brain.
habla del cerebro lento,
The brain that knows,
el cerebro
thinks.
que sabe, que piensa.
The fast brain does not operate on those principles.
El cerebro rápido no opera
And
bajo esos
therefore, it's
principios.
not held to the same standard or criteria or the same rules as the slow brain.
Y desde luego no se pueden aplicar las mismas reglas, el mismo nivel como el
And this
cerebro
gives you
lento.
a voucher to get out of jail for free.
Perdí la primera parte.
And that's the problem with answering what is sin.
Y eso es pues el problema cuando hablamos de pecado.
Anybody have any questions?
¿Alguien tiene preguntas?
Tyler.
So my question is, so much of what we do in our life is fast brain. You can live most of your life or most of any given day in a fast brain mentality where you're on some version of autopilot. And my question is, what do you do?
1 second. Can you not hear him, or is it too long?
Too long, too quiet.
So they can't hear him very well. It's quiet. Oh, of course they're not picking it up. Okay. Okay. So I just have to repeat anyway. So you finish your thought, and I'll summarize it.
The first part was that is what do we do with so much of our life is in autopilot in any given day. And then the second part of it, and you don't have to touch on this because I know it may muddy the water, but something like addiction that becomes a habitual fast brain response to whatever specific thing we're talking about, and you can define addiction very broadly.
So Tyler asked a two-part question.
Tyler hizo una pregunta en dos partes.
And it's framed as a comment or an observation.
Es como, él lo puso como un
That we live
comentario.
most of our life, day to day, in fast brain mode.
La mayoría del tiempo nosotros vivimos en el modo del cerebro rápido.
And then part two of the question is the issue of addictions.
Y la segunda parte de la pregunta es el tema de la
When
adicción.
things become addictive,
Cuando cosas llegan a ser adictivos,
it ends up, I don't know how to say it, it ends up leading towards a fast brain issue as opposed to a slow brain issue.
eso conduce a que el problema se convierte en un problema de cerebro rápido
So,
y
is that
no
a good summary of the
en
question?
vez de lento.
Andres, is your question similar?
¿Es similar tu pregunta?
Something, okay. So let's try and just see if we can address this question.
A ver si podemos tocar esa pregunta.
So if we were to assume that the
Si
prophets of old
Si deberíamos asumir
have no idea about neuroscience, they don't understand about the psychology of the brain.
que las personas antes no tenían idea de neurociencia,
But
de
God
cómo-
does.
pero Dios sí.
So
Dios siempre
if
lo-
we were to go on that premise,
Si partimos de esa premisa,
then even though the language that a prophet uses or the way they frame their arguments sound inappropriate,
aunque el lenguaje usado por el profeta tal vez no parezca apropiado,
if these thoughts and ideas are coming from God, then there must be some truth in them.
si en realidad esos pensamientos provienen de Dios, debe haber verdad en ellos.
So we have all these restrictions in inspiration,
Tenemos entonces todas esas restricciones en la inspiración.
and if I were to suggest
Y si debo sugerir algo,
that those restrictions aren't necessarily dealing with the subject at hand,
Que esas restricciones en realidad no están relacionadas al tema que estamos hablando,
but they deal with the consequences of the action that's occurring.
más bien se refieren a las consecuencias de las acciones
So
que
we made a
se
connection
cometen. Hemos conectado
with the fast and slow brain and mapped that over the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system.
lo hemos conectado, hemos hecho esa conexión entre el sistema simpatético y parasimpatético
So
del sistema
if you put
nervioso.
yourself in difficult situations,
Si te pones en circunstancias difíciles,
which nervous system would you be in if you put yourself in a difficult situation?
estando en una situación difícil, ¿en qué sistema nervioso estarías?
You'd be in the sympathetic mode, which is fast brain.
Estarías en el modo simpatético, lo que equivale al cerebro rápido.
Now, this system, this dual system that you have,
Este sistema, ese sistema dual que tienes,
is designed to take care of you.
está diseñado para
So
protegerte.
when Tyler said that we live a large part of the day in fast brain mode,
Si Tyler dice que una gran parte de nuestro día permanecemos en el modo del cerebro rápido,
that may be true,
puedo que
but I
sea
think it's
verdad,
more controllable than the simple way that people view it is.
pero creo que el sistema es más controlable como muchas personas lo ven en una perspectiva muy simplificada.
Much of the time where we think that we're in sympathetic or fast brain mode, we don't have to be.
La mayoría del tiempo en que pensamos que estemos en el modo simpatético o cerebro rápido, no tendríamos que estar.
You can avoid situations,
Puedes evitar situaciones
and you can also learn how to deal with, we'll call them stressful situations.
y también puedes aprender a manejar situaciones que llamamos estresantes.
That's why you meet someone who's always calm under, difficult situations.
Por eso, a veces te encuentras con personas que siempre permanecen
And you imagine that they were born
en
that
calma,
way.
aunque estén en situaciones difíciles, y tú
That
piensas
may be
que
true,
así
but a lot of
nacieron.
it can be cultivated or educated.
Puede que sea así, pero mucho de esto uno puede aprender, puede cultivar.
So you take someone like who's a firefighter or a police officer or a doctor.
Piensas en, por ejemplo, un bombero, un doctor
Soldiers are particularly good at this.
o soldados que son particularmente buenos en esto.
If you get sufficient training
Si recibes entrenamiento suficiente
in a highly stressful situation,
en una situación altamente
you
estresante,
can, at least to some degree, more than most of us, be in slow brain mode.
puedes hasta cierto grado, por lo menos más que la mayoría de nosotros, permanecer en el modo de cerebro lento.
You don't have to react in a negative way.
No tienes que reaccionar de una manera negativa.
And the problem is, each of us, has to decide for ourselves where we are on this road, on this journey.
Y el problema es que cada uno de nosotros tenemos que decidir dónde nos encontramos en ese viaje, en ese camino.
So, yes, most of us are potentially in fast brain more than we realize.
Entonces, sí, probablemente la mayoría de nosotros estamos en un modo de cerebro rápido,
But if you're in a relationship
pero si estás en una relación
and you know things that trigger you,
y sabes que hay cosas que te
allowing yourself to
trigger,
get into a situation where you're triggered
que te permiten entrar en una situación que, ¿puedo buscar la palabra?
and the fast brain will kick in and do its thing.
Como un gatillo, nosotros asuntos que te desencadenan o desencadenan otras reacciones y el
fight.
cerebro rápido hace su cosa,
The
peleas,
fighting in and of itself, because it's a fast brain mode, doesn't produce guilt.
luchar
Guilt.
solamente porque
Condemnation.
acontece en el modo de cerebro rápido no necesariamente produce culpa.
So what would be the crime that you've committed? We would call it a crime.
Entonces llamamos un crimen que cometiste, llamaremos lo
So
así,
we know it's not the fight.
digamos, es una pelea.
Tyler? It's getting
¿Qué
into
fue
a
el crimen?
circumstance. If it comes to food, for instance,
Por ejemplo, pensemos en comida.
allowing yourself to get into a situation where you're tempted,
Por ejemplo, dejas que entres en una situación en la cual serías
all the
tentada.
permutations your brain is capable of managing.
Tu cerebro está perfectamente capaz de
But it's a very
manejar,
individual experience.
pero sigue siendo una experiencia altamente
And what I
individual.
can't do is know all those permutations that are going in your brain.
Creo que está diciendo esas permutaciones que acontecen en tu cerebro.
Is it the same point, Kathy? 1 second. Are we going to use Michael? Yeah.
Could you define permeations of the brain?
¿Puedes definir la
Actually, I think that's
palabra?
right.
The term? I'm not sure what you said.
Yeah, I don't think. I
término.
think I used the wrong word.
Okay.
All the
No estoy seguro si usé la
all the
palabra
different options that you have.
correcta.
Sorry, I used the
Quería
wrong
decir
word.
todas las opciones diferentes que tengas.
Curtis, was your question related? Okay.
Tu pregunta está en relación
Have I
con...
answered your question sufficiently, Tyler?
Tyler,
At
¿responde
least
tu
the first
pregunta
part.
suficientemente, por lo menos la primera parte?
Sufficiently, but I don't necessarily agree with some of the way you define fast brain.
Okay, you go ahead then.
Sí, suficientemente lo
I don't
respondiste,
wanna
pero
bog it.
no necesariamente estoy de acuerdo con algunas definiciones tuyas del cerebro rápido.
So let's say you define fast brain.
¿Cómo definas tú el cerebro rápido?
I define fast brain the same way,
De la misma manera,
but I think in application I would see the example you gave differently.
pero el ejemplo que tú has dado lo
So
pondría
the soldier
diferente en la aplicación.
is
O
calm under
sea,
pressure
el soldado está
because they
calmado
drilled the training
bajo
into themselves
presión
enough for it to become fast brain.
porque le han entrenado para que esas circunstancias o sus acciones no se conviertan en cerebro rápido.
So that when the problem arises, the trigger, the crisis,
Entonces, cuando
their
surge el
training
problema,
kicks over and
el
they
trigger, el gatillo,
enact their training.
desencadena simplemente el entrenamiento.
I agree.
Estoy de acuerdo.
I know that this can get really complicated really quick.
Estoy consciente de que esto puede ser un asunto muy complicado, rápidamente muy complicado.
When you start defining the very complex interplay between every moment of slow and fast.
Si tratas de definir ese juego entre rápido y lento,
And that these things go back and forth literally from moment to moment at times.
y esas cosas a veces saltan, cambian de momento a momento.
I agree with what you said.
Estoy de acuerdo con
I
lo
knew
que
I was,
dices.
I knew I was going to get in trouble when I talked about a soldier.
Sabía que me iba a meter en problemas usando el ejemplo del
Because
soldado,
they're trained to just behave as a reflex under certain circumstances.
porque son entrenados
So,
y su
one last
comportamiento
point to
se
that.
refleja en diferentes circunstancias.
The way you describe it was that we need to end up being more conscious,
Así como tú lo describes, quiere decir que
and that the
tenemos
sin is
ser más conscientes y que
not
el
the fast
pecado,
brain response, but your lack of consciousness, or you should have been more conscious.
el pecado no es la falta de la
I don't know how
respuesta
long I
de
need to
tu
wait.
cerebro rápido, sino tu falta de conciencia.
It seems like you end up in the exact same place we were before with higher and lower power.
Parece que al final llegamos al mismo dilema que
Because if you were
teníamos
just
al
more conscious,
comienzo.
because if you were just more conscious, you wouldn't
Por-
have gotten yourself into a fast brain sin or
Porque,
any sin.
porque estando más consciente simplemente no hubieras entrado en ese dilema.
The comment that you've just made, I agree with.
Estoy de acuerdo con tu comentario.
I don't know what percentage it is. Everybody's life is different, but there's a percentage where you're not in as much control as you would like to be.
Pero hay un porcentaje de circunstancias donde estás,
And I think
disculpa,
that's the situations that become gray areas.
y creo que esas son las situaciones que se convierten en zonas
Gray
grises.
You can't define them well. You don't know what a
No
gray
puedes-
area is?
¿No sabes que es una zona gris? Una área
If you're in an
gris.
abusive relationship,
Si estás en una relación de
unless
abuso,
you come out of that relationship, which is not easy,
a no ser que sales,
there's very little that you can do to avoid that conflict.
aunque si no
And what you end
sales,
up doing
que es
is living a
difícil,
very
estás en
dangerous
una
life.
situación y básicamente vives una mentira muy, muy peligrosa.
because the only way you can control your environment now is to make sure that you don't say anything to upset or aggravate your partner.
Entonces, la única manera para controlar la situación es, te aseguras que no dices nada que molestaría a tu pareja. No estás tanto en control de la
Okay, so I'm
situación
going to leave
como
that
te
question there,
gustaría
and I'm not going
estar.
to deal with the addiction bit.
Voy a dejar esa pregunta, no voy a entrar en ese tema de la adicción.
Kathy?
I don't know if this will be connected or not, but people who are trained to handle stressful situations,
No sé si vamos a hablar de eso, pero personas que están entrenadas para manejar situaciones estresantes,
um, especially soldiers, firefighters, police officers.
Policías, bomberos, soldados especialmente.
They tend to develop PTSD afterwards. Is that, I don't know if that's relevant or not, where they've controlled the
suelen
fast brain, and then
most-
later they're affected by what they just experienced.
ellos suelen desarrollar un desorden de estrés postraumático.
I'm not sure myself,
No estoy seguro yo mismo.
but what I think is accurate is that the living in those stressful events occupationally are not good for you.
Bueno, lo que estoy seguro es que vivir o estar en esos eventos estresantes no es bueno para ti.
Perhaps I would express it that despite whatever training you receive, the damage is done.
Otras palabras, a pesar del entrenamiento que has tenido, el daño se hizo.
And they may seem calm in dealing with the situation, but whatever damage is happening, that calmness doesn't get rid of that damage.
Pueden
We even
parecer,
have that happen. Oh,
pueden parecer calmados, pero ya se
so even if
sobrepuso.
you're not a soldier,
Go ahead.
okay. So even if you're not a soldier,
Aún si no eres soldado
and you just have everyday stress, you have the
y
same
tienes
damage.
estrés diario, tienes el mismo daño.
The last part.
La última parte.
Without being a soldier, you could still have getting through the stress and being damaged later.
Eso entonces quiere decir que no siendo soldado puedes pasar por ese estrés y obtener el daño más tarde.
A wife that's been abused,
Una mujer está siendo abusada.
sometimes you say, I knew the person for years and I didn't notice.
A veces dices, conozco a esa persona por mucho tiempo y no me di cuenta.
Because that woman will develop coping mechanisms to deal with her situation.
Porque la mujer desarrolla mecanismos para manejar la situación.
So that apparent calmness doesn't obfuscate the damage that's being done.
Entonces, una calma aparente no necesariamente o puede ocultar el daño que se hizo,
Donna.
porque desarrolla mecanismos de afrontamiento.
Pertaining to the soldier, emergency professional of any sort, and experiencing PTSD.
1 second. When we talk about
Cuando hablamos de
pertaining to experiencing PTSD,
en referencia al tema de estrés postraumático,
professionals are trained to respond to an emergency instead of react.
entonces profesionales han recibido entrenamiento para responder en una situación de emergencia en vez de reaccionar.
This, at times, a person can develop a desensitization to the response over time.
Eso puede causar que la persona se pone
Then the response
insensible
turns into a PTSD, which forms abuse over time.
y esto puede causar que la persona desarrolle ese desorden, estrés postraumático después de un tiempo, cuando se desensibiliza.
And then what Tyler says, it goes into autopilot.
Y lo que dijo Tyler, él opera en el modo autopiloto.
Thank you.
And then in the end, you become a danger to society and yourself
Yeah. Y al final
at times.
te puedes convertir en un peligro para la sociedad y para ti mismo.
And I know people still have some questions on this topic, but I just want to go to Andreas because you asked a question ages ago, but it wasn't related.
Sé que personas aún tienen preguntas respecto a esto aquí que estamos hablando, pero quiero
I have the
decir
unrelated
que
question
Andreas
and
habla
then
porque hace tiempo ya
another
One
question.
second.
Sorry,
Go ahead.
levantó su mano.
I have two questions now. Should I go
Ahora
with
tengo
the
dos
unrelated
preguntas.
or? Okay,
For question one.
my
Primera
original
pregunta.
question.
La pregunta
What do you want to
original.
do?
Okay, I'll do the related to this one then. So if I understood Tyler's dilemma, is that
Si
you're
entendí
a
el dilema
slow
de
brain
Tyler. Tenemos el cerebro lento.
you choose to put yourself in a situation where fast brain is gonna be triggered,
Te pones en una situación
and
donde tu cerebro rápido responde
and you do something bad,
y haces algo
and the
malo.
guilt is not in because you did something bad in fast brain, it's because you chose to put yourself in that situation.
Y la culpa consiste en que has elegido ponerte en esa situación.
And so Tyler said, oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
And so Tyler said, okay, now you're back in the same place because you're always having to it ends up being your choice in the first place because you were in slow brain.
Entonces, por ello, Tyra dijo que al final llegas al mismo dilema que teníamos al comienzo, cuando operas en el modo de cerebro lento, porque es tu decisión.
And then I think the answer you gave was that it's not the same place because you're not really that much in control as you think you are all the time.
Creo que tu respuesta era que no es tan así porque no estás tanto en control de todo y todo el tiempo
And then
como
my question
piensas.
is, if I got it right, my question is, why are we not in control as much as we think we are?
Entonces mi pregunta sería, si te entendí bien, ¿por qué no estamos tanto en control
Is it because
como
oh, sorry.
pensamos?
Is it because we thought we were in slow brain, we were actually in fast brain, or something else?
¿Es porque pensábamos que estábamos en el modo de cerebro rápido, pero en realidad estábamos en el modo de cerebro lento, o es otra cosa?
I'm not sure how to answer your question.
No estoy seguro cómo responder.
Your question is the level of control that we have.
Tu pregunta es en referencia al nivel de control que tenemos.
I don't know what number you would come up with, but if you're in control of half of your life,
No sé qué número pondrías, pero si controlas la mitad de tu vida
not the other half,
y la otra no,
whatever the percentage is,
lo que sea el porcentaje,
it's a very different model than saying that you're in total control and you're totally responsible.
es un modelo muy diferente del cual que dice que estás en control total y desde luego completamente responsable.
I think that's the point that's important for me.
Por lo menos para mí esto es el punto que importa.
Why are
You're not in control. Is it because we are on fast brain actually? Or
Pero ¿por
like
qué
with
no
the
estamos en
50%
control?
where we are not?
Estos 50%, ¿por qué no estamos en control?
You're not in control of your environment.
No estás, no controlas tu entorno,
You're walking along life doing your business,
caminas en la vida haciendo tus cosas
and stuff happens to you out of
y
your
cosas
control.
acontecen que no están bajo tu control.
Your partner, your family member comes home irritated, upset.
Tu pareja llega a casa enojado.
You can't plan or control for that.
Puedes controlar, puedes
And so when they
planificar.
attack you,
Cuando te atacan,
you'll fight or flee.
luchas o huyes.
And you're not in control of that.
Pero no estás en control de ello.
So if I observed that dynamic and I saw you shout back at your partner, I'd say you're in sin.
Y si yo observo esa situación y veo que tú gritas a tu pareja, yo diría, estás cometiendo pecado.
Or I'd say you're out of Christ.
O yo diría, estás
And if you had the
fuera
Holy
de,
Spirit, you wouldn't have responded that way.
estás sin Cristo. Si tuvieras el Espíritu Santo, no respondías de
A
esa
large
manera.
part of our life has that dynamic to it, I think.
Y pienso que una gran parte de nuestra vida tiene ese tipo de dinámica.
Okay? So,
If we go back to the old model of higher power, lower power, the will,
Si volveríamos al antiguo modelo de los poderes altos, bajos y de la voluntad.
oh, go ahead. Sorry, yes, sorry. You're looking at me, I'm looking at
I
you.
was waiting for
It was my fault.
we learned that in that model, higher power was not corrupt.
Habíamos aprendido
What's the last
que
thing you
los
said? High
The
power.
higher power was not corrupted.
Habíamos aprendido que los poderes altos no habían sido corrompidos.
Yeah, carry on.
And but the lower power was the one that was corrupted.
Pero los poderes bajos sí estaban corrompidos.
So are we equating higher power to slow brain, lower power to fast brain?
Estamos entonces diciendo que poderes altos equivalen a cerebro lento y poderes bajos a cerebro rápido,
Which then is higher power to the parasympathetic, lower power to the sympathetic.
lo que quiere decir poderes altos al sistema para
If that's the case,
simpático
if that's
y
the
al
case, which I'm
revés
not
el
sure.
otro.
One second.
Un poco rápido. Si
So if
esto
that's
es
the
el
case,
caso,
which I'm not sure that's what we're doing,
yo no estoy seguro si
then
eso es lo que estamos haciendo.
if lower power is corrupted, then fast brain is corrupted.
Si se corrompen los
And
poderes bajos,
sympathetic.
entonces el cerebro rápido está corrompido.
And sympathetic is corrupted.
Y lo simpático, el sistema
So if
simpático está corrompido.
if that's the case,
Siendo eso el caso,
when
si
we go
este es el
back to the
caso,
training of the soldiers, the firefighters,
volviendo al entrenamiento de los soldados, los bomberos,
retired from being a firefighter, I know this.
Yo era bombero,
We're
aposentado ya.
trained
Yo sé de
in
ello.
specific areas,
Nos
how
entrenan
to
en áreas
stay
específicas
calm,
para permanecer con calma,
how to mitigate the problem,
cómo resolver el problema,
how to go to plan B when plan A does not work.
cómo emplear el plan B si el plan A no funciona.
This is all in the training.
Eso todo está dentro del entrenamiento.
But I can tell you that it does not apply.
Pero te puedo decir que no aplica.
It does not apply to other areas in life. Just because you're calm,
No se aplica a otras áreas en tu vida. Solo porque estás,
just because you're calm in one area,
si
does not mean that
estás
applies
con
to another
calma
area where you're, I would say,
estás
corrupted,
tranquilo en una parte de tu vida,
sympathetic response kicks in.
igual puede entrar una respuesta
For example,
negativa, digamos.
I've seen firefighters under pressure in the fire. Wonderful, great.
Entonces, por ejemplo, el bombero en una situación de fuego se comporta perfectamente.
However, back in the station, they get an argument. All that training of staying calm does not apply.
Pero luego en la estación se pelea con un colega y todo ese entrenamiento acerca de
Unless they're
permanecer tranquilo no aplica.
Unless they're separated, they will box.
Si no los separas físicamente, van a pelearse.
So maybe in that sense, we can understand nature of humanity better, because it's only the training.
A veces así podemos comprender mejor a la naturaleza humana.
In that application, where we can stay calm.
Y el entrenamiento solamente funciona en
As
esta
far as
específica aplicación en la
PTSD,
cual podemos permanecer tranquilos. Y en cuanto a
studies are coming out
PTSD,
how you were raised the first 5 years of your life makes it different. If you were abused
los primeros 3, 5 años de tu vida hacen una gran diferencia.
if you were abused as children, you're more prone to get PTSD.
Si has
At
sido
least that's
abusado
what the
como
study shows.
si has sido abusado como niño, estás pues más fácil que obtengas PTSD. Eso muestran los estudios.
Because the question is, why doesn't everybody get PTSD?
Entonces la pregunta es ¿por qué no todo el mundo tiene ese desorden de estrés postraumático?
Or why isn't everybody addicted?
¿O por qué no todos
So there are
adicciones?
many more questions and answers. We are complicated.
Hay más preguntas que respuestas. Somos complicados.
Is it too cold in here for people? Are you okay? Maybe someone, maybe we'll check with the people who need to make changes. So they're aware. So I just want to say a couple of things.
Quiero comentar un par de cosas.
If we were to go back to 2017,
Si volveríamos a 2017,
When that study was happening,
Cuando hicimos ese estudio,
a controversy arose in the movement over that study, and people
surgió
left the
una
movement.
controversia acerca de ese estudio en el movimiento y personas salieron del movimiento.
Because one of the things, one of the components of that study, of that message,
Porque uno de los componentes de ese estudio
was that I was stating that the lower powers had not been corrupted.
es que yo dije que los poderes bajos no han sido corrompidos.
And the fast brain, if we were to leave the religious model and just go to this sort of model of psychology, the fast brain cannot be corrupted.
Y si salimos de ese modelo psicológico, los poderes, yo también dije que el cerebro rápido no puede ser corrompido.
And the sympathetic nervous system also cannot be corrupted.
Y el sistema nervioso simpático tampoco puede ser corrompido.
They can get out of control.
Pueden salir de control,
They can do things they're not supposed to do in the way that you would want them to.
pueden hacer cosas que no deberían hacer.
They become a problem as opposed to being a help.
Y se pueden convertir en un problema en vez de convertirse en una ayuda.
But I don't see the three terms, sympathetic, fast, or lower powers, as ever being corrupted.
Pero esas áreas yo veo que nunca han sido corrompidos.
And I know that part of the reason why there was a split in the movement is because how people read the spirit of prophecy related to this subject.
Yo sé que nuestra gente lee el Espíritu de Profecía en referencia a este tema.
I think what happens is that in the 2017 model is that the lower powers are given free rein beyond what's reasonable.
Parte del problema era que en ese modelo de 2017 se ha dado libertad más allá de lo que es razonable a los poderes inferiores.
The lower powers are doing things that they're all, I can't remember what I said. The lower powers are doing what they've always done.
Los poderes inferiores hacen lo que siempre han hecho.
When something bad happens to you, you react in a certain way.
Cuando algo malo te acontece, reaccionas de un
When you're
cierto
hungry,
modo.
you demand food.
Cuando tienes hambre, pides comida.
The whole aspect of our humanity that deals with pleasure seeking is all these lower powers.
Toda esa área de búsqueda de placer tiene que ver con esos poderes inferiores.
So I know there's an issue of habit that needs to be considered, but separate to habit, lower powers have not changed. They're just doing what they're supposed to do.
Yo sé que hay un aspecto del hábito, pero en general los poderes inferiores no han cambiado, hacen lo que se supone que deben
What that
hacer.
old model was showing us
Lo que mostró el modelo antiguo
was that you have an obligation,
es que tú tienes una obligación,
which is your will.
lo que es tu voluntad.
The obligation isn't the obligation is, say, your conscience, but your will has an obligation to keep the lower powers in its proper place.
Tu voluntad tiene la obligación de colocar o mantener los poderes
But I don't
inferiores
see it
en
as
su lugar apropiado.
ever having been corrupted.
No digo que nunca jamás habían sido corrompidos.
The fast brain, I don't believe, can be corrupted.
No creo que el cerebro rápido puede ser corrompido.
And as you suggested,
Y como has sugerido,
you've got three different models.
tienes tres modelos diferentes.
And I feel reasonably comfortable at this juncture
Y estoy bastante convencido o bastante tranquilo a
to
esas
say that lower
alturas
powers are equivalent or the same as fast brain,
diciendo que los poderes inferiores equivalen al cerebro.
lower powers, fast brain, sympathetic. They're not
Cerebro
equal to each other,
rápido
but they're equivalent in those
son,
different models.
son equivalentes, no son lo mismo, pero son equivalentes en los diferentes modelos. Poderes inferiores, cerebro rápido
I
y
don't see any corruption in any of that.
simpático, sistema simpático. No veo
But
que aquí haya
they're
corrupción.
either, if we're going to say either they're being allowed to or they just do, they do things in a way that are above and beyond what they were designed for.
Están haciendo cosas más allá de lo que deberían,
So you have
que
a
han sido
sympathetic
diseñados.
system that is
Si
designed to
tienes,
protect you in an accident.
o sea, si tienes un sistema simpático que está siendo, que había sido diseñado para protegerte en
It
un
was never
accidente,
designed to protect you from your partner shouting at you.
nunca ha sido diseñado para protegerte a ti de tu pareja gritándote,
Because your partner was never supposed to shout at you.
porque tu pareja nunca debería
And
gritarte.
your body has no way to distinguish between getting into a car accident and getting a serious injury or your partner shouting. Your body can't distinguish between the two.
Tu cuerpo no puede diferenciar entre situaciones como encontrarte en un accidente o
Your slow
tu
brain or
pareja
your higher powers
gritándote,
knows the difference.
mientras que tus poderes superiores y tu cerebro lento conoce la diferencia.
Without some education, without some training or practice,
Sin educación, sin entrenamiento y práctica,
you'll suffer the same harm from a car accident or being shouted at by your partner. They produce the
tendrás
same effects.
el mismo daño estando en un accidente de coche o tu pareja gritándote.
So I'm not saying these are my thoughts, that I don't see that the lower powers have ever been corrupted.
Esos son mis pensamientos. Yo creo que los poderes inferiores nunca han sido corrompidos.
And the equivalent of that is that the lower powers can never be trained.
El equivalente es que los poderes inferiores no pueden ser entrenados.
Did I just say fast? What did I just say? I meant fast brain, sorry, yeah. But fast brain
Sí.
cannot be trained.
Quería decir, cerebro rápido no puede ser entrenado.
So when you get threatened,
O sea, cuando te amenazan,
you've only got three options:
solo tiene tres opciones:
fight, flight, or freeze.
pelear, huir o congelarte.
You can't train that out of yourself.
Y no puedes sacar eso por entrenamiento.
Because of these difficulties we've spoken about,
Por esas dificultades de las cuales hemos hablado,
This is why when we went to 1 John, we didn't deal with verse 16, but verse 16 and verse 17,
por eso fuimos a Primera de Juan, primeramente versículo
I think
16.
that the whole subject of sin becomes problematic.
Por eso yo creo que todo el tema del pecado llega a
Each
ser
of us,
problemático.
we're now obliged to examine ourselves to determine where we stand in relationship to God.
Y cada uno de nosotros ahora tenemos la obligación de examinarnos para ver dónde estamos colocados frente a Dios o en
So I'm going
relación
to
a
stop
Dios.
there. Sorry, we've run out of time now. Sorry.
Voy a parar aquí.
Time to stop. Is that right? I can stop at 11. Okay. Got 20 minutes.
Voy a continuar, tengo 20 minutos más. Qué bien.
Is that right? Yeah. Oh, carry on.
So if it's left for us to figure it out, our relationship with God,
Entonces, si es nuestro asunto de comprender nuestra relación con Dios,
does that mean that there's no set standard objective truth of what is right and wrong?
eso quiere decir que no hay un estándar de lo que es correcto y lo que es falso,
So I think there is an objective standard.
objetivo.
You're not supposed to shout at people
Yo sí creo que hay un estándar
because you don't
objetivo.
want people shouting at you.
No se supone que grites a la persona porque no quieres que te
The
griten a
golden
ti.
rule.
Creo que hay una norma
We'll
objetiva.
substitute
Esta
the word
regla
shout
dorada.
with violent.
Bueno, pues si intercambias la palabra gritar por
You're not allowed to be
violencia,
violent towards anybody.
no tienes permiso de ser violento para con otra persona.
So if we were to say that's the golden rule,
Diríamos que esto es la regla, decimos que eso es la regla
would
dorada.
that be objective enough?
¿Sería esto
Yes.
suficientemente
So then
objetivo?
where does the individual subjectivity come into it?
Ok, sí, pero ¿en qué momento entra la subjetividad individual?
You're not allowed to be violent,
No tienes permiso de ser violento,
and one day you become violent, you do a violent act.
pero un día sí haces algo violento.
So it appears that you've committed a sin or crime.
Parece que cometiste un pecado o un crimen.
So to know whether you have or not,
Para saber si has o si no has,
because the violence has occurred,
porque la violencia aconteció de hecho.
yes. The violence has happened,
Ocurrió un acto violento.
the question is, are you guilty of some crime?
La pregunta es si ahora tienes culpa de algún
And to know the
crimen.
answer to that question
Y ahora la respuesta a esta pregunta
depends on the circumstance.
depende de las circunstancias.
I think that answers your question.
¿Respondí tu pregunta?
Cody said yes. So the person who decides whether or not you're a criminal because you committed an act of violence
La persona que decide si eres un criminal porque cometiste un acto violento,
is ultimately God.
a fin de cuentas es Dios.
But if I'll use the religious term, if you haven't grown in grace, or the secular term, if you're not educated on this subject,
Pero si no has crecido en gracia o en términos seculares, si no estás educado en esos asuntos o temas,
your response to that is going to hurt you, it's going to damage you.
La respuesta te va a dañar, te va a doler.
Either you're gonna live in a world of guilt, you're gonna blame yourself that you're a bad person, a sinner,
O vas a permanecer en un mundo de culpa, em, vas a decir que eres un pecador,
Right.
una persona mala.
the violence you've committed. The response to the violence you've committed will do at least one of two things.
La respuesta a la violencia que has cometido va a causar por lo menos dos cosas.
Produce unwarranted guilt,
Produce culpa injustificada,
or you end up living in a world where you just minimize sin, you just ignore bad behavior.
o te pone en una situación donde tú minimizas comportamiento malo.
Because you're a sinner, you can't help it. That's another way
Eres
to express the
pecador
same thing.
y desde luego no puedes hacer nada. No cambia nada.
Both options lead you down the same place or to the same place.
Ambas opciones te conducen al mismo lugar.
The problem's only going to get sorted out at the second advent,
Que el problema solamente se resuelve en la segunda
in the
venida.
twinkling of an eye, and all of that theology.
En esa teología de
Hopefully that answers your question. Any other questions?
en
Good
abrir y
question.
cerrar de ojos,
Go ahead.
en esa teología.
Would it be
Otra pregunta.
fair to say that, in summary, that sin is intention to do wrong?
Sería
That
justo,
sin is the intention to do wrong.
sería justo decir que el pecado es la intención de
guilty sin.
hacer mal.
Repeat what you just said.
As in the sin that is punishable in John.
Como,
Whereas
sea,
if you do wrong but with no intention, that's still sin, but it's not punishable now.
en referencia a Juan, hablando de un pecado que se puede castigar, opuesto a un pecado que era inintencional y que no.
I say yes,
Yo diría que
but
sí,
so if people didn't understand what I'm saying yes to,
y si no se entendió a qué digo sí,
violence is wrong.
violencia está mal.
It would be considered a sinful activity.
Se considera como una acción pecaminosa.
If you go out to harm somebody,
Si sales, si vas para dañar
that
a
would be
alguien,
considered sin
eso se consideraría pecado
that you will be punished for.
y puede ser castigado por ello.
Yeah, if you committed the same violent act
Pero si has cometido el mismo acto
and it was
violento
an act of defense,
en una situación de defensa,
then even though the result would be the same,
a pesar de que el resultado sería el mismo,
you're not, there's no guilt that's attributed to you. You're not considered a sinner or that you've done some sin that will be punished.
no se te atribuye ninguna culpa, no eres un pecador, no vas a ser juzgado por ello
So if you
o
just
castigado
had a
por ello.
movie that didn't have a voice, you'd see exactly the same act happening.
Es como en una película sin audio, donde ves el mismo hecho acontecer.
If you saw a movie with no voice and you just saw the picture, you'd see the same picture.
Si ves una película sin audio ves la misma imagen.
So it's the context of why you're being violent that defines whether it's a sin or whether it's not.
Entonces, en cuanto a violencia, es el contexto que define si el acto es
Did that answer
un
your question?
pecado o no.
Any other questions?
Otra pregunta más.
Gloria, 1 second.
Speak loud.
Could you go back to your model to consider 1, 2A, and 2B?
¿Puedes volver a tu
Could you
modelo de
repeat
2A
again
y
what you were
2B?
saying about the law?
One second.
Okay.
Carry up. Start again.
Could you consider repeat what you said about the law being personified and the Shekinah glory of that? Could you
¿Puedes repetir
cover
lo
that
que
again?
dijiste en cuanto a la ley personificada, la gloria de Shekinah y esto?
If you go to the sanctuary system,
Si vas al sistema del santuario,
there's the law,
hay la ley,
2 tables of stone, the 10 commandments.
las 2 tablas de piedra, los 10 mandamientos.
There's the book of Moses next to it,
Está el libro de Moisés al
which
lado,
is the same law.
que es la misma ley.
It's just an explanation of those 10 commandments. If you're living 3,000 years ago, how you're supposed to implement them.
Es una explicación de la ley, pero 3.000 años después, ¿cómo deberías implementar
So I'm saying the
esas
book of
leyes?
Moses is just the implementation or instructions for how to keep the 10 commandments.
Digo entonces que la ley de Moisés o el libro de Moisés simplemente son las instrucciones cómo guardar los 10 mandamientos.
3,000 years ago, not today.
You mean the 5 books, the Pentateuch?
Estoy hablando de 3.000 años atrás y no hoy en día.
Sure, yes.
Okay, that's the explanation of how.
El
So
Pentateuco,
that's the
entonces, a eso se
explanation of how
refiere.
to keep the 10 commandments.
Se sobrepone con la... Entonces,
Now you can speak, sorry.
So the 5 books of Moses, that's the explanation of how to keep the 10 commandments? Is that what you're saying?
entonces estás diciendo
3,000 years ago.
Okay.
Estás
Thank you.
diciendo que los 5 libros de Moisés son la explicación cómo guardar los 10 mandamientos. Sí, dice Parmena,
On top
pero
of that
hace
box,
3.000 años atrás, para el tiempo 3.000 años atrás.
I think there's there's a glory, there's some light.
Me faltó algo, pero dice, creo que hay luz,
My
hay
understanding
gloria.
is that light is a physical representation of God, the one we call
Entiendo
the Father.
que la luz es una representación física de Dios, lo que llamamos también el Padre.
And you see the law and God separate.
Y ves como la ley y Dios están separados.
If you go to the model that isn't quite in scripture, but Ellen White speaks about it, where you've got a courtroom.
Si vas al modelo que no está exactamente así en la escritura, pero Elena White habla de ello. Estamos, o sea, en una sala
You
de
have a lawyer,
juicio.
you have the defendant, you have a judge, and you have the law.
Tienes un abogado, tienes un defensor, tienes la ley.
And the judge and the law are God and the law. They're separated.
Y el juez y la ley son Dios y la ley, pero son separados.
So that's one.
Eso es uno.
And what was your question about the other two?
¿Y cuál era
And
la
your train
otra?
of thoughts of why you're carrying to what is sin and what is the punishment of sin from
¿Cuál era
number one.
tu lógica
Yeah.
en cuanto que el
flow of-
pecado y el castigo.
Sin is the transgression of the law.
El pecado es la transgresión de la ley.
So when Jesus and the Holy Spirit are interceding to the law on your
Cuando
behalf,
Jesús y el Espíritu Santo interceden por la ley,
they're saying simplistically, sorry that this person is doing all this sin.
dicen, disculpa por esa persona comete todos esos pecados.
Interceding doesn't quite mean sorry, but a reasonable
Sí.
approximation.
Interceder no significa exactamente perdón, pero es algo cerca.
So when we're approaching the law,
Entonces, si nosotros
Jesus
vemos
and the
la
Holy
ley
Spirit are approaching the law on your behalf,
y Jesús y Espíritu Santo, no sé qué
you'd
quiere
want to know
decir
what they're
approach en
interceding
ese
about.
contexto. Ellos approach the law, ellos...
Because you've done something wrong in the eyes of the law.
entonces, el punto de vista de la ley, hiciste algo malo.
And if you have a wrong model of sin,
Y si tú tienes un modelo errado del pecado,
then how you understand your relationship to the law
como tú comprendes tu relación a la ley, con la ley,
changes.
esa
Even though
perspectiva
Paul
cambia.
says we're not supposed to compare ourselves amongst ourselves, we all do.
Aunque Pablo dice que no deberíamos compararnos
We have a
unos a
habit
los
of
otros,
judging one another.
así lo hacemos igual y tenemos un hábito de
And what we do is we
juzgarnos.
judge people according to our understanding of the law.
Lo que hacemos es juzgar personas de acuerdo a
Which
nuestra
basically means we
comprensión de la
judge
ley.
people according to our value system of what we think sin is and what sin is not.
Juzgamos a la persona de acuerdo a nuestro sistema de valores, nuestra comprensión de qué es pecado y qué no es.
I don't mind people judging, that's fine.
No tengo problema con esto, que la gente se juzgue.
In some ways, you're supposed to judge or make judgments.
De cierta manera, tienes que juzgar, tienes que hacer juicios.
Our problem is we don't do it well.
Nuestro problema es que no lo hacemos bien.
We don't judge ourselves and people in the same way.
No juzgamos a nosotros y la otra persona de la misma
And
manera.
if you've picked up at least one thing from this study, is that if you're going to judge somebody,
Y bueno, si por lo menos algo rescatas de esa presentación, si vas a juzgar a alguien,
you can only judge them by their experience or their criteria, not your own.
solamente puedes juzgar a alguien de acuerdo a su experiencia y no de acuerdo a la tuya.
And it's not impossible, very difficult to do.
Y esto no solamente es, sino tal vez es imposible, pero por lo menos es muy
This
difícil.
study is it's not about judging one another, it's about judging yourself.
Este estudio no trata de juzgarse, es de juzgarte a ti mismo.
And most of us have got a bad religious experience because we don't understand our human nature.
Y la mayoría de nosotros tiene una mala experiencia religiosa porque no comprendemos la naturaleza humana.
If we go back to up here,
Si vamos a este punto,
the reason why we've got a poor prayer life or poor prayer practices
la razón por qué tenemos una vida de oración pésima o mala
I
práctica,
think is related to the subject of our understanding of sin.
creo que está relacionado a nuestra comprensión del pecado.
We don't understand what sin is and how it works.
No comprendemos qué es pecado y cómo funciona.
So we end up either asking for things or saying sorry for things which aren't in agreement with God's will, not in accordance
Terminamos,
to God's understanding of things.
terminamos pidiendo cosas o pedir disculpas por cosas que no están de acuerdo con lo que Dios quiere o como Él piensa.
All of this doesn't change looking at things in understanding things in an objective way.
Todo esto, me perdí eso.
It doesn't change the
Buscar-
definition of violence.
Esto no cambia las definiciones
It's just that
objetivas,
each
no
of us
cambia
needs
la
to
definición
understand
de
why
violencia,
we commit violence.
pero tenemos que comprender por qué cometemos violencia.
Some violence is completely wrong, and some violence is acceptable.
Hay violencia que está completamente falsa o errada y otra es aceptable.
Okay. I know there was a couple of questions. If we can hold them till the second presentation, and I'll stop there.
Bueno, vamos
I'll
a
summarize
continuar
this
en la
study
segunda
at the beginning of the
presentación.
next one.
Voy a hacer resumen de esa presentación en el inicio de la siguiente.
And we're meeting in 15 minutes.
Vamos a continuar en 15 minutos.
So we've just finished on the hour. We'll start at 15 minutes past the hour.
Vamos a pues continuar en 15 minutos.
Let's pray. Holy God, we want to thank you for your continued goodness and watch care over us.
Santo Dios, queremos agradecerte por tu cuidado de nosotros.
We know that subject of law and sin is important.
Sabemos que el asunto de la ley y del pecado son importantes.
It's important for our health and our welfare and the welfare and health of others.
Importante para nuestro bienestar y también el bienestar de otros.
Each of us has a limited, sometimes a wrong understanding of sin.
Cada uno tiene una comprensión limitada y tal vez errada del pecado.
Often we feel that we're guilty of a crime.
Muchas veces nos sentimos culpables
Sometimes we ignore our crimes.
de un crimen, a veces lo ignoramos.
We know that this is not what you want.
Sabemos que no es lo que tú
Help us
quieres.
to understand criminal behavior in its proper setting.
Ayúdanos a comprender el comportamiento criminal en su
That we might
entorno
live free,
correcto,
happy and productive lives.
para que podamos vivir unas vidas libres y felices.
In Jesus' name, amen.
En el nombre de Jesús. Amén.